Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. Now I wasn't going to post this because I just felt like this video was just like a mess, like all over the place, but I got a lot of questions about how I style my hair, and I'm like, well, I did record it, you know, thinking I was doing something, but I didn't plan on posting it. But since I got so many questions, I was like, you know, why not? Before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that this video to me personally is like all over the place. I may do some voiceovers in the video here and there, it just really depends, but it's not like a structured video, so I do apologize about that. But I do hope that you enjoy like just the process. I'm thinking about, you know, doing these type of videos every now and then on my channel as my hair grows, just doing like protective styling and just like wig videos and things like that on my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you like my vibe, what you see here today or whatever, definitely click that subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell, and you're notified each and every time I upload a video. Also follow your girl at iDESIGN8 on Instagram so you can catch my life updates as well as how I style my items. Okay, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. I just got out of the shower and I am actually blow drying my hair. The front seems to be like dry, but the back is wet. I don't know if you can see that. It's wet, so I need to finish the back. I'm currently watching Aaliyah's Face new vlog. I love her, you guys. Like I don't know, she just gives me like all types of vibes, and her energy is just like, just on camera, like amazing. I really don't know what I want to do with my hair right now because it is like just so much. I'm thinking about like straightening it. I think I have some clip-ins I'm not sure that I'm going to add to like the back or so, but I'm not sure yet how I'm gonna do it so I can make it just a little bit more fuller. Well, not fuller because it's already like full, but just a little bit longer. Like, can it touch my neck, please? Can it touch my neck? You guys, so I'm all finished blow drying my hair. We're going to get to the styling process. I'm not even going to lie, I don't really know what I want to do with my hair right now. I've been having this like love type of hate relationship with my hair ever since it's been growing out. Usually, you know, I always do like, you know, a little side part like this, and then I have my hair like really big right here, and just, you know, a little swoopity swoop or whatever. But I want to do something different because I'm really tired of it like being in my face. I'm going to use this Dual Grow Anti-Itch Oil, but the smell is not too bad. I don't know, I might just do a little bit. I just don't want my hair to be, especially right here. I have, like, you guys know, I have like a trouble area right there. So I'm just gonna just kind of like put it a little bit all over. But that's all I'm gonna do. I don't want to do too much because I don't want it to be too oily. So now I'm gonna try and part my hair in the middle. So y'all, I always have like such a hard time doing this. Like, I just always feel no matter how much I do it, it's not straight. But I think that's pretty good. Like, what y'all think? Kind of. I don't have to be perfect, and I can still fix it whenever. Whenever it's fully straight. So we're gonna do that. So I like to work in sections with my hair because it is like thick, and I just have to. So that's that. And then I am just going to part it in the back. And we're gonna work with this small section in the back. So you guys know I like to take some oil for my hair because, like I said, it is thick. It does need a lot of moisture. I still want a very lightweight look, but I don't want anything that's too heavy. So I'm going to take the Cheese Silk Infusion Oil right here, as well as the Pantene Gold Series Intense Hydrating Oil. So these two, they both will be linked down below. Maybe I would say maybe a quarter size of each amount, and like just, you know, distribute throughout that section. I'm going to pop my AirPods in and just watch a YouTube video while I continue to do my hair. Now, I'm not gonna make the back like perfect because one, it is a struggle area of mine. It's hard to kind of get back there and get everything. You guys, so I got all of the back finished. As you can see, it's a little bit of a shape or whatever. I could tell right now that I'm not going to like it, but I'm gonna start on this portion. This right here is literally like, the sides are literally like the easiest. Alright, you guys, so I finished with my hair. You know, got a little shape to it, and I hate it. Even if I try to do, you know, a little something like that, like, it's giving me ugly vibes. I have this straightening comb right here that I'm about to try and flatten this down. This is an all over the place type of hair video, but I am back the next day. This is how I wrap my hair. I really honestly didn't know what else to, or how to wrap it, because it's too short to actually get it in a wrap. Oh Lord. And also, I usually like just pin curl the top, but since I'm trying this straight look, you know, the pin curl was like not an option. But other than that, like I would say for the most part, my hair just needs like a really good trim. But I'm just gonna pass through it. I'm only gonna do one pass. All right, this is how my hair is looking. I'm going to kind of like do a tuck behind it here. Bam. A little. Bam. And the same thing with this side. A little tuck behind the ear, and we're just gonna make it a little cute little style or whatever, nothing too much. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Got To Be Glued freeze spray, and I'm gonna just spray it on my hand like so, and then I'm just going to kind of like lay down the flyaways. All right, so that completes this video. I do hope that you enjoyed it. I know it was a little bit all over the place, and I do apologize about that. Just me, you know, doing my hair, just kind of working with it at its length right now. I appreciate you all for watching me and commenting. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and wear your mask.